So this is going to be just a review about coloring, okay? So first off, guys, please look, all right? Don't just wait for the recording. It's good to kind of watch me do this. Okay, right now, we're in the grayscale here. Do you see how in this circle, this is everything gray. This is obviously wireframe and so on. The next one is the colored one, right? Okay. So as you can see, there's no material selected here. So I'm going to start with the easy piece right here. I'm going to take a board, and you're going to go down here to the beach ball, okay? The beach ball is down here, and you're going to click plus and then new, unfortunately. 2 steps. And then you're going to call, I'm going to call this flooring 1, whatever. Flooring-01, okay? And now you see it is selected. I'm in this mode, not this mode here, right here, where you can see viewport shading. Okay, basically means you can see your color, okay? So right here, I'm just going to make my floors pinkish. Let's just go something like this, okay? Pinkish, something like that, okay? Just for fun. All right, so you guys can all see it. It's kind of obvious. There it is. So you see how it changed, right? Nice and easy. But if I go to this mode, you're not going to see it. And sometimes, believe it or not, this is not going to work. If it doesn't work for you, here's what you got to do. Watch. Actually, let me hold off. So you guys see, look, I'm going to select 1, 2, and this app, unless you join things, it won't let you massively, I don't think, someone can correct me. Like if I come in here right now and make a new selection like this, I could go down here, by the way, and select something that I've done. See, only one of them works. Do you see that? Let me explain that again. If I select 5 pieces at one time, unless I press Control J or Command J, I don't think this is going to work. Let me try it now. Now it worked because I joined them. You guys see that? I joined them so they becomes one thing. So I can select the next group like this. Okay, just for fun. I'm just having fun here, okay? And I'm going to hit Command J again, Control J for those of you guys in Windows. So I'm just going to make a new flooring. I'm going to call this new flooring 2. Watch this really quickly. Flooring-02. Okay, there. Now I'm going to change the color. And then what I want to do is go back to where it was pink, but I want to go, look, see how in real time I'm seeing it? So I'm going to go down here maybe just a little bit like that, just for fun. Cool, that worked, right? Okay, so what Solé was saying to me earlier, it's like you tried to do this, right? And let's say you're trying to change the material, but it's staying gray. Look, okay, guys, look. Let's say I tried this one, and it's staying gray for me, okay? Look. I'm going to come in here right now. I'm going to select this, and I'm going to say I want it to be wood. Okay? And let's say this didn't work for you, right? Or you're saying, Mr. Balian, I want this stripe over here to be a different color. Watch what I'm going to do. You have to go into edit mode. Watch this carefully. Go into edit mode. Okay? Let's go to face for a second. Alt or Option. See how I selected this? Guys? So I'm going to come in here. Do you see how it says assign? This is the trick here. So if you want to assign it a different color, for example, look, it didn't work until I hit assign. Okay, so look, I'm confused now, Balian. I confused everybody. Look, I want this strip to be a different color, right? So you come down here, you go into flooring, and it's not working. So you gotta, I don't know why it's not working. This is what you had, right, Solé? Is this what happened to you? Solé? Hello? Yeah, this is what happened.
I forgot to switch to the viewport shading. I just stayed in the grayscale.
Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a different one. Okay, watch. Let me try this again. Let me go, I'm just going to say FL2, okay? 3, whatever. Let's see if I could do it this way. Let me change this to yellow, right? Do you see now I gave it a new material? See, you guys see 2 spheres here, right? If I hit assign, now it works. See, I have 2. Is this too complicated?
How did you select that whole ring?
Okay, if you ever hold, watch, tab out. I'm going to come over here, right? You see here, I'm in edit, right? I'm in face, right? So you see how there's a vertical line division here? If I hold option here and I go boom like this, the whole ring gets selected, okay?
Yeah, so I have to come shift and select each and every.
Yeah, that's hard. So the way to do it is this. So I'm going to come in here, I'm going to make 2 new materials. Look, 1, and I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to hit new. Okay, so I'm going to have 2 of them. This one's going to be, let's go red, somewhere here. Okay, that's material 1. And this one's going to be like, let's say blue. Really up, okay? So look, right? Now I'm going to come in here and I'm going to cut in here. Look, I'm just going to come in here and go boom, boom, in here, and I'm done cutting, inserting. So I'm going to come in here. Remember what I said, Alt or Option, left click. Right here, you selected them, right? See how they're all selected? But it's all blue, Mr. Balian. It's okay. Go to Material 2 and assign it. And now, get out. See that? So what's going to happen is I'm going to show you the broomstick now as a review. Watch. This broomstick is one piece now, right? Do you see I joined it, right? I'm in trouble now because if I change colors now, watch. If I come in here now, type in broom, for example, watch. BRM-01. Okay, so let's go with brown, right? I'm going to go to orange, and I'm going to bring this color value down to orange, okay? It's all the same. But now what you got to do is come in here, make a bunch of different materials. Look, I'm going to go BRM, watch, I'll go BRM-02. I'm going to make another one. So you hit plus and new, and then you come in here and you go BRM, watch this, BRM whatever, -3, okay? So this one I want it to be more orange, let's say, okay? A little bit orange here, somewhere here. Nice, okay, there's that color. And this one I want to say, I want it like a yellowish. Who knows what I'm doing here, okay? So now I'm in trouble, right? You see it's one piece. Remember what I said to you guys, get into edit mode, hit the tab key. Okay, and for some reason, I think last time I had this selected. That's why Blender remembers amazingly, right? Look at this. I just selected that, right? And remember what you said? You hold shift, you can go shift, shift, right? But what if I hold shift and option? I said shift and this whole loop selected. See that? So now I'm going to say this is going to be yellow, for example. Assign. Bingo. Done. So look, okay, do you guys see what I've done here? I'm going to go into, let's say, this mode, which is X-ray mode, right? I'm going to select all these faces here. All right, see that? Now I'm going to make these this color. Bingo. And then get out of this mode, come in, and get into color. Look, I've got 3 pieces from 1. So the idea is come in the plus, make a bunch of different materials, and then you have to select them. If you want this ring, watch. Remember, I have to be in X-ray mode. I want to do this again. I want this ring to be dark brown or something, right? Watch. Select, assign. This only happens, and I'm going to repeat, this only happens if you're in edit mode. Okay?
Wait, go back to the object mode. Does the color stay?
Yeah. See how I changed it, right? Isn't that cool? So if you zoom out, this is what you get. But it's kind of nice if you do hardwood floor, like a range of colors, right? You know what I mean? As opposed to one color. Like if you go brown and then you shift the color over. Watch this as well, guys. Look, let's say I'm in here, right? One more thing. Let me just do this again. Let me hit period, and I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to hit tab. Let's say I want to change this color, right? Now I'm going to go like this, plus, and I'm going to say BR whatever, 4, right? BRM-04. Okay, now you're saying, Valiant, I want that pink color. This pink color, okay? Watch this. You go in here. Watch this. You got an eyedropper, right? This is nice. Grab the eyedropper, come in here and go boom, and then we say assign. Cool? Look, tab out. Look at that. I got pink. Some shade of pink. Do you get what I mean? Isn't that cool? Well, is this okay for you guys?
Yeah. Let me take everything down.
All right. This was 8 minutes, by the way. That's it. Thank you. I'll review it again. This will be like a second or third recording on colors.